Hi, my name is Charles Rosenblatt. I'm the president at PayQuicker, and I have Jim Legan, our CTO. So for those of you who don't know PayQuicker, PayQuicker has been around for more than 10 years. We have hundreds of clients. We have millions of users and payees on the back end for our global disbursements business, and have done billions of dollars overall in payments to gig workers, marketplaces, and other 1099 workers globally. What we did is actually we took that technology that's been underlying the platform for all these years and are launching a product called Payouts OS. It's the first payouts as a service product that's a payment orchestration platform for payouts, allowing companies to go out and basically get the best rate, the best speed, whatever they want. It will use lowest cost routing in order to be able to determine that for our clients. The most important piece of this, though, is the single API that our customers actually can integrate. So rather than integrating with our tens of partners who have bank relationships all around the globe, they basically use similar to a common application for college. They come in, they apply in one space, they get approval from all of our banks and partners around the globe, and have access to all our banks and partners around the globe. And they do it all in their own experience. So we're going to look at a client here called Hopster. Jim is on our student travel partnership. We spent 3 months abroad, and Jim spent 3 months in France. And just while he was there, he decided to drive for Hopster. So Hopster came up and built their experience overall in their own experience that Jim's going to share with you in a second. Jim's going to go into the Hopster experience. This is his account. He's already set up a bank account in France with it. And essentially, he's going to get paid for driving for that month. So what he's going to do is you're going to see here, this is his account. He has a virtual card that he can pull up in his account, as you can get paid to card, to wallet, to crypto, to e-wallets around the globe, to banks all around the globe, anything that you'd like. So let's have Hopster pay you some of that money that you work so hard to drive folks all around the southern part of France. I think you earned about $1,000 during that time, which is pretty good for a driver. After you earn the $1,000, what you're seeing there is the Hopster experience leveraging our API to fund the account. This is all happening in real time. That's the script. As he goes up there, the available balance is going to go from 0 to what Hopster just decided to load onto the platform. As Hopster loaded the $1,000 and received it, Jim now is going to say, hey, I want to move some of that money to my bank account in France. So he's going to go in there, go into his wallet, and send a payment to his bank in France. We have that information already. Jim has put it in. And what you see on the bottom, by the way, is the use of the API and the SDK, and this all happening in real time for all of our clients. So Jim goes in, and he has a wonderful bank in France that I can't pronounce, and he's going to move $100 over to his wallet. As he moves $100 to his wallet, behind the scenes, we are going out to all of our partners. We just did a press release today announcing some of them with Convera and Neem and others that are going out and finding the best rate. So you're getting the lowest cost routing for FX transactions into 200 countries and 40 currencies in real time. What we found out, the best rate was 97.63 euros. He's going to submit that payment. He's going to get the 97.63 euros into his bank account in France. You can see the transaction underneath. This one actually, Neem had the best pricing for that one. It's gone and found that out. You'll see $100 less, a $1.50 fee that Hopster decides to charge him in order to do it. Now he's feeling generous. Jim, you want to do something for the folks here? Okay, so Jim's going to go and move some money to a virtual card that he showed you earlier. So again, in real time, he's going to move his money to the card. You'll be able to see the scripts down below that your API would pull as a customer. He's going to move, let's move $400 over. Jim, you're feeling really generous. And I think what Jim's going to do is head to my favorite cupcake shop, and clearly I've had a few cupcakes in my day. But we're going to go to Baked by Melissa, and Jim's going to buy some Baked by Melissa for delivery when this session's over. So Jim's going to head over there, I think, to the Baked by Melissa site. He's moved the $400 over. He's gotten his virtual card, and There will be money there unless one of you sees the 16-digit number and writes it down quicker than Jim uses it. He's going to buy something at Baked by Melissa, buy some cupcakes for the group as a whole. And again, it's all automatic. So if Hopster decides to pay Jim at 9 a.m., by 9:01 he has the money on his card, ready to move. This is, again, global issuance, 200 countries, 40+ currencies you can do this in. We're going to buy some cupcakes. We're going to pick them up in the store. We're going to send one of the team members out to Columbus Circle. We're going to bring those back, and we're going to have those at our booth. Our booth is right next to the entry when you walk in, so you'll see a booth with a bunch of cupcakes. They're little cupcakes, but they're cupcakes nonetheless. And you'll be seeing those. What we're going to show, and what we lastly want to show on the background, though, is all of this happening in real time. So he's done this transaction here for the $270, bought the cupcakes, and now we're going to go back, and we're going to show this immediately in his account at Hopster through the APIs that have been transferred over. Essentially, you're going to see that purchase of $270. So as I'm wrapping up with 40 seconds to go, we believe we're the only payouts as a solution in the marketplace that does payment orchestration for payouts. Any country that you want pretty much across the globe, any currency you really want across the globe, and in form factors of card, e-wallets, crypto, and to bank, with a great marketplace of clients overall to serve. Thank you all very much.